Right then, here we are, Statistics and Mechanics, Year 1, Chapter 4, looking at question 7. Okay, that was question 6 just done. So, question 7. Okay, student is investigating the relationship between the price in pence of 100 grams of chocolate and the percentage of cocoa solids in it on the x-axis. Data obtained is shown in the table. Right then, draw a scatter graph. All right, so we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, up to 70% cocoa on the X and 35 to 130 on the Y. Let's have some sensible paper. That looks pretty good, I think. All right, let's start then. I suppose we'll go with 0, 20, 40, 60, 80. Okay, and then coming across here, we are working at 35 pence. So if I start at, will I do tens? Let's do fives, I think. So yeah, start at 0 there. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 120, 125, 130, 135, 140. I think that's enough, isn't it? Yeah, it was back there. Okay, right then, let's get some lines on that, get some titles on it, and then we can start plotting it. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so drawing scatter graphs is just something that you'd normally put into a bit of technology to do, a bit of Excel or something like that. Remembering your rules of giving things titles. No, I don't want that one selected, that one. Okay. Graph of cocoa percentage versus price of chocolate. Okay, this is cocoa percentage. This one is price in pence. Okay. All right, let's have a little look then. So 10 and 35, 20 and 55, 30 and 40, 35%, 100. Okay. Yep. 40 pence. No. 60 pence and 40. 60 pence and 40. 50% 90. 50% and 90. 60% £1.10. And 71.30. 70, that one, 130, yeah, there, isn't it? Yes. Okay, there we go. Draw scatter. The equation of the regression line of y on x is y equals 17.0 plus 1.54x. So we're going to be down here on 17.0, something about there. Okay, and if we were to put 100, not 140 in, but something like 120 in, okay, to that regression line, which was y equals 17.0 plus 1.54x. And if we were to put an x value in of 120, it would of course be 120 times 1.54, which is 184. That seems a bit weird. Why is y? Oh, y is meant to be pence. I've done this all backwards, haven't I? Should be the other way round. That's annoying. Well, the simple solution to that is you say that one is y and this one is x. Don't forget your arrows. Okay. And then we better change this because it should be 17 here. And we'll do it in for an x of 70. Okay, so let's just do 70 times x, 70 times 1.54, which is 107 plus the 17 from the equation, gives us 124.8. So we're expecting 124.8, basically about there on it. Okay, so let's draw this regression line in now that I've got a couple points for it. Okay, which is starting on the 17. Software's going crazy on me. And there it is. Okay, bearing in mind that whole graph should be the other way round. Okay, in terms of the x and the y axis, but I've just switched it. The student believes that one brand of chocolate is overpriced. Use the regression line to suggest a fair price for this brand. So, what appears to be overpriced? I would suggest that this one here is the overpriced one. Okay, and as such, with a cocoa percentage of 35, a fair price would be about 72 pence. Okay, so for C, I would suggest that 72 pence is a fair price for it. Comment on how valid the student's method for suggesting a fair price. It's valid given the information that we've got here, but then this person with their £1 chocolate bar might be using premium wrappers. They might be using a higher grade of milk. They might be using different flavors in their chocolate, which is why it is more expensive with the less cocoa. So, yes. Yes, the bar seems overpriced and should be 30 pence less, but they might have better quality of other ingredients, thus the higher price. Okay. All right.